Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today we're going to be changing out the AC pump for this GMC Sierra. So the first thing you're going to want to do is we got to take the tension off this belt. If your belt was here, we already have it off because the belt was making some real nice burny, so we wanted to take it off and make sure it was still good. So first thing you want to do is you want to go down here onto this tensioner down here. You're going to put your socket onto here. You're going to go like that, and then when you do that, you're going to see that the belt gets loose. You're going to slip it off. Once you slip it off, you can work it all the way around. From there, we need to remove the bracketry from the AC pump itself. So you're going to see right here, you're going to have a bolt here. Take this bolt off so this one's nice and loose. You're going to have this one right here. This one, I should warn you, if you have AC still left in your system, it's going to shoot out a lot of AC, so just a warning. And then right here, you're gonna do that one, and this one, which is still in here, and then another one right here. So in total you have, and that's if you had anything on that side. If you didn't, then it's only the main 4 bolts. This one, and like I said, this one holds your AC actually onto the top. So when you do this one, this is the one that can be a little bit messier. Once you loosen up all those bolts, you can literally take the whole unit off and put it off to the side. A couple of things that I should have mentioned in the last one. If you have AC in here, there is a lot of places where it is illegal technically to be releasing AC into the air, so you might want to get that pumped out. Again, for us, we didn't have to worry about it because this AC system has been dead for a while, and who knows, maybe this will fix it, but we'll see. So you'll notice you might have a sensor here, but they didn't put the sensor here because they don't want to charge you for a sensor, obviously. So what you're gonna have to do is get your snap ring pliers, and you're gonna see the 2 little openings here. And you'll just stick your snap ring plier in there, squeeze it together, slip it out, pull this blank plate out, go over here, take out this snap ring, pull it out, and put it in here. Put the snap ring back in. If you do not have a snap ring plier, you can do it with a couple picks. All you gotta do is put your picks in each hole, like so, and squeeze them together. When you're putting back in, plug the connector back into the plug that you just put into it, and then now we'll just line up our 4 bolts. After we get our 4 bolts, should be good to go. Do this one last, obviously. Put all the bolts back in. Now you can put that one back in for your bracketing system. Pull off your plate there with the screw that's on. And then they give you these 2 nice new seals. We're gonna slip those off. We're gonna put on some new seals because we're doing our job in protecting the environment. Nice. Make sure you plug in your front sensor. This is a good time to check and see how your belts are doing. If you see any cracks or anything in this main belt, make sure you replace it. Give you a quick look at the serpentine here so you can see how it all winds through. So you're gonna start on the bottom there, come up, goes down through here, around this tensioner, around this one, down, around, and you'll see that the belt actually comes back up to go around this tensioner. So it's almost like they try to connect in here in the center, but they don't. And then, of course, goes back down there. When you turn your truck on, make sure that cold, AC, you don't have to have recirc, but it's always a good thing to press. Boom, boom, cold. Next, if you have an AC recharge system, hook it up like so. Get your can ready. Make sure that's all the way open, obviously, when you screw the can in if you've never used one, because if you don't, it'll puncture and then you'll have a lot of fun. Next thing you're gonna do, start her up. This is a good time to check and see if your belt's gonna kill anybody. If it's working like it is, you're doing good. At this point, screw that in. Screw it in so it punctures. Then after it punctures, just leave it nice and going. course, watch the pressure gauge.
This one's just the leak, the anti-leak stuff.
Okay.
Just gonna let that pump in and then we'll put the refrigerant in.
Nice.
This refrigerant is basically propane.
Propane and propane accessories.
Yeah, it doesn't say the ingredients anymore, but it used to always say it's like propane.
Boom. Time to swap a bottle. So when you're doing this, after your bottle fills in and it sets, or you close the bottle, you want it setting at around 35 in the blue. How you'll know if you overfill? Your engine will start stuttering and other funny things will happen. So don't try and overfill it. Just try and get it to the amount as stated. Look at that, we're doing pretty good. As long as you're in the blue zone, it's a good day. I mean, that's basically it. We're just gonna uncap it here, wrap up our tools and stuff. As you can see, it takes about an hour, and it's about just under 500, around 500 bucks to do this all. And that's in Canadian. If you're in the States, don't freak out. You still get a better deal than us. Other than that, press like if it helped you out and subscribe for more.